Keeping a clean home with 2 pets and a toddler is a messy and fun adventure. It's tough, but I'm happy to share my secrets. My journey started a few years ago. We brought home our first dog, a playful golden retriever. Puppies are cute, but messy. Then came our daughter, followed by a mischievous kitten. Our home was full of love, laughter, and lots of dirt. I knew I needed a plan. Over time, I've learned how to handle pet fur, sticky fingers, and scattered toys. Organization, routine, and the right tools are my secrets. It's not about having a perfect home. It's about creating a space that is comfortable and happy. I want to share my tips to help you find that balance too. We'll cover everything from quick cleanups to deep cleaning missions. Are you ready to learn the secrets of a clean home? Let's dive in. Get ready for a cleaner and happier home. You've got this. Toys seem to multiply overnight, right? I've found that having a place for everything is essential. Storage bins are my best friends. I use clear bins so my daughter can see what's inside. We label them with pictures and words. Stuffed animals go in one bin, building blocks in another. Puzzles and board games have their own spot. This makes cleaning up a breeze. We sing a cleanup song and everyone helps put things back in their bins. It's amazing how much cleaner a room looks when everything is in its place. Teaching kids to tidy up early is a game changer. It doesn't have to be perfect. Even small efforts make a big difference. When they see us cleaning and organizing, they learn by example. Plus, it's a fun way to spend time together. Pets are wonderful, but their fur can be a challenge. My secret weapon? A good vacuum cleaner. I invested in a vacuum cleaner designed for pet hair, and it's been a lifesaver. I vacuum at least every other day, sometimes daily. Another tip is to groom your pets regularly. Brushing your dog or cat helps remove loose fur before it ends up on your furniture and floors. I also have a designated spot for my pets to sleep and relax. This helps contain the fur shedding to a smaller area. Washable pet beds and blankets are also must-haves. They can be tossed in the washing machine regularly to keep them fresh and fur-free. Even toddlers can help with chores. My daughter loves to help load the dishwasher. She hands me the silverware, and I show her where it goes. Of course, I supervise closely to make sure she's safe. She also enjoys wiping down the table after meals. I give her a damp cloth and let her go to town. It may not be perfect, but it teaches her responsibility. Plus, it's a fun activity we can do together. Remember, it's all about making it fun. We sing songs while we clean and make it a game. She's learning valuable life skills and contributing to a clean home. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Having the right cleaning tools makes all the difference. My must-have is a good microfiber cloth. They are amazing at picking up dust, dirt, and even bacteria. Plus, they are reusable, which is great for the environment. Another favorite is an all-purpose cleaner. I use it on countertops, tables, and even floors. It's important to choose a non-toxic cleaner, especially with kids and pets around. I also love my steam cleaner. It's a chemical-free way to sanitize floors and surfaces. The hot steam kills germs and bacteria, which is especially important with a crawling toddler. Investing in quality cleaning tools will make your life easier and your home cleaner. Life with kids and pets is unpredictable, but having a routine helps. I don't stick to a strict schedule, but I do have certain tasks I try to do daily. For example, I always make the bed first thing in the morning. It makes the entire room look neater instantly. I also wipe down the kitchen counters after every meal and sweep the floors after dinner. These small, consistent efforts prevent dirt and clutter from piling up. Then I have weekly and monthly tasks. Laundry is done on weekends, and deep cleaning the bathrooms is usually a monthly chore. The key is to find a routine that works for you and your family's lifestyle. Having a clean and organized home brings a sense of peace and calm to our family. It's not about perfection. It's about creating a space where we can relax, play, and enjoy each other's company without being overwhelmed by clutter and chaos. It's about teaching my daughter the importance of cleanliness and responsibility. It's about creating a healthy and happy environment for our furry friends too. Cleaning may not always be fun, but it's always worth it. What are your favorite tips for keeping a clean home with kids and pets? I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Share them in the comments below. Remember, we're all in this together.